Drop it.
Happy fucking New Year, everybody. Now let's go ahead and make some money. Let's get right into it. Blue pill line for the fucking win. If you guys were in Tesla and you saw this blue pill line, you guys know, you knew where this bad boy was going. That's pretty much it. STV, what's going on, brother? Tabasco Dave, what's up? Daily Taylor, Happy New Year. Yes, it's a Happy New Year. You know why? Because this Tesla put paid. Lovely. Now, let's go ahead and go to the SPY. Let's talk about the SPY here, okay? Now, yesterday on the stream, we gave you just a daily stream yesterday, right? STV and I were bored. We brought up the ATR. Now, why did we bring up the ATR? Well, we brought up the ATR because we legit said we could see 387, right? A 1% move. But what the SPY is doing, look at this. Remember, we talked about ATR being about $6.90 on the daily. And look at this range. Understanding the ATR will go ahead and manage your expectations on the move. Okay? Guys, we don't fuck around because it's all about making money, right? If you want to fuck around, you go fuck around by yourself. You fuck around and find out. But here in this community is all about making money. That's it, right? 2023 is about to be the biggest year of my life in trading because, yeah, every year just gets better and better. Anyways, trade 1348 for the guys in the back who are just sitting in the sideline just wondering, okay, what the hell do I do? It's 2023, right? Procrastination is like masturbation. In the beginning, it's fun. The end, you're just fucking yourself, right? So go ahead, trade1348.com, pinned to the comments up top and in the description. Let's go ahead and make that money. Ladies and gents, I want you to take over the stream, shoot me your tickers, and let's print. Dr. Gwendolyn, let's go. Beppe, it's still fun in the end. Yeah, until you get fucking calluses in your hands. Until you get calluses, right? You meet a lady, she's like, oh, you work out? You better not lie to her. You're burning the flesh, baby. You're burning the flesh. Let's go. Let's take over. Let's go to Apple, right? Stop burning the flesh and start making money. Now up 9.2% on the portfolio for the day and done trading. That is what we're talking about. Winning loser. I've watched you, man. You have come such a long way as a trader, and I love it for you. I love it for you. All right, guys, let's go. Let's see. We'll get to Trader Joe in a second. I have to go ahead and look at Apple. So here goes Apple. Let's zoom out and let's find a level. Apple currently trading at 125.38. Damn. Oh, boy. Okay. It's literally broken all levels. I mean, the most recent level relative to that price action here is at 125.87. We're going to go ahead and draw that blue pill line for you here. Now, the market's like, yeah, we're still in 2022, guys. I mean, that's what the market's saying, literally. But you have this level here, and you have RSI just way oversold. Current value, 21.75. Expect a cross up into its moving average, and then this is your entry with 125.88 being a level that you're looking for. You're looking for it to break. Now, when it breaks, you can play it up to the 13, which is 126.52, with 125.88 being your risk. Okay, let's go ahead and check out SRE. Trader Joe on the daily. You got the put, you got a break below the moving average. Where do we have a level? So we're looking for a level. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the daily and we don't find a level. Oh boy. Immediately, you got to break up the levels. So next stop is going to be about 148.50. That's what we're looking at. So let's get that in there. Let's draw that line there. You know what? Let's be a little more conservative. Let's get 148.74. That's going to be our level. Guys, if you're using the web browser, okay, simply hit refresh and the blue pill line should pop up on your chart, right? Now, this only happens if you actually have my chart saved, okay? Good morning, Junior. Morning, Michael. Let's go ahead and check out Ford. Oh, boy. Ford Motor Company. Where are you? You know what? Ticker symbol F. Let's just do that. Okay, now we're on the 5 minute. Let's see here. Ford has a call. Now let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. You're at 1178, 1179. You know, Ford has literally been stuck in this this area, this $11 region for quite some time, right? I probably would just go ahead and accumulate Ford. Ford is part of my long-term portfolio. But again, I can't say to accumulate, or I can't give you advice on that. It's just a personal preference of mine. Over time, I do believe in Ford. I wouldn't trade Ford, especially, I would trade it with shares, but I probably wouldn't play options with it. Now, Sly Ryland, the way to copy my chart is to be part of the community, right? Again, trade1348.com. You get 14 days free, risk-free, okay? Let me prove to you that you can, in fact, make money. Nobody is showing you guys how to make money the way we do here. Okay, so anyways, let's go back to the chart. Let me catch up to some tickers here. We have Nike, NKE. Nike is coming on up into a level here. So if you were playing the rejection, look at this. Ooh, this is beautiful. 117.50. You got a literal bounce here, right? You get a literal bounce here, and now she's coming up into a level right here at 119. This play is just about done. I can't advise on anything more than that, right? Like, she literally gave you more than you deserve at this point. So be conscious of this level as you're approaching it. Secure the bag. Really that simple. No need to get greedy. No need to get greedy. XLF, let's go ahead and check this one out. You got a call. You also have a level here. Oh boy. You know what we're starting to see? We're starting to see the cadence of the market. You got a call. You got a bounce, literal bounce off the 200 EMA. It broke below 34.35. So 200 EMA for the fucking win, right? We talk about the 200 EMA just being like the almighty level of support and resistance. Okay. The AR guy says, I give 100% credit to my 47% gain today on your awesome charts. I see the matrix. Holy. All right. AR guy, got to be careful, man. Don't do a live stream with a pizza box. They're coming for you. All right. So you do have the call signal here. We're coming on up to 34.61. I like the fact that RSI broke above its moving average. It is trending to the upside because RSI value is above 50. Want to see that cross here and start printing on the MACD. Now, here's the deal. If you are profitable, even 3, 4, 5%, secure that bag. Keep it moving. We got money to make. We got money to make, right? We don't have dreams to fantasize about, right? You're either doing it or you're not doing it. Make your money, okay? Dreams do come true, and they become real when you start acting like it, okay? So, secure that bag. Stout, good morning. Ready, Gabe? I made my money for the day. Done trading. Got to get back to work and make some more later. Dope. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the SPY here. What is the SPY doing? SPY running flat. SPY is like, yeah. SPY's like, hey, I remember this level. You see that there? That was your level of consolidation. It was also like, hey, I remember this level. Okay, wow. Talk about muscle memory with price action. So now we have the SPY attempting to come on up to the 13. No, I don't trade TQQQ. Christian, good morning. Chameleon, good morning. Why did Baba reject that 91.95 going down? Let's go ahead and take a look. Guys, you're playing the SPY here. You're going to play the bounce off a level that was a 380.57. You do have another level here at the 13. That's going to be 381.74. Okay, you're playing right up. Ooh, is it going to break? Okay, so if it breaks, you go ahead and you start defending your profit at this level here, right? You defend it and then see if she makes her journey up to the 200 EMA. Guys, we make it super simple. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at Baba. Why did it reject? Where are we looking at that rejection? You're saying, why did Baba reject 91.95 going down? Let's see. Where do we see that? Looking at this level here, I see, yeah, you got, okay, I see the wicks there. So let's zoom out. Let's zoom out and see. So we don't really have anything within 7 trading days. So we can go to the 4-hour just to get more of a granular perspective. We have a level here at 90.69. And you know what? Let's go back to the 5-minute here. And why did it reject? It was all about the 13, baby. Right? So before I go ahead and come to the conclusion that the 13 was acting as support, I have to make sure I find levels relative to the price action. And that, sir, is why Baba literally found support. It was the 13. JPM, let's go ahead and look at JP Morgan Chase. Okay, so you do have, again, a bounce off the 13. This is really interesting. It gave you a little more than you deserve, guys. You got to be careful here. Price action ways away from the 200 EMA. So a reversal will be painful. Not going to chase into this, but you do have a level at 136.70. So if you were chasing this and then got rejected, it's probably going to give you another opportunity of which you go ahead and you secure the bag. Now, Chris Brenneman says, Gabe, I'm up 40% on some AMC covered calls. How do I know when to close them out versus trying to let them expire for full price? Pigs get slaughtered. If you're up 40%, take that and compare it to the market, right? Now, the best performing money managers out there probably return you 16% a year. You got 40%. Secure that bag, take that money. I'm not answering that question, bro. Right now, you're being gluttonous and greedy. Secure that bag. All right. Good morning, Super Dad Dusty. Wow, a lot of new names in here. Darlene, good morning. Okay, so moving along. What else do we got? Let's look and see if Invictus woke up. Invictus has not woke up. Okay. Sorry, I should have added. I really want to sell these shares. Dude, just secure the bag, man. Let's see. Nanya, good morning. Now, let's go to the 3-minute crosses and see what's happening. Ooh, Adobe, 1039 crossing down. We're going to go ahead and check that out at 1039. Currently, it's 1050. That was the last alert we got, which means the market is reversing. It's moving on up, right? We're not getting a whole lot more alerts saying it's moving down. Quiet day today? Not really. Let's see. Kelly, good morning, Gabe. 4 for 5 today. You animals. You animals. This is great. Let's see. Andy's. Look up. Let's see. Okay. Thank you, Andy. Andy's doing some God's work out there, right? He's fixing up the alerts on the 3 minutes. So, Andy, thank you. Thank you for the heads up. Thank you for the heads up. All right. Invictus will lead us on the reversals. It definitely will. As of now, let's go ahead and look at the SPY. See what the SPY is doing. The last we checked, she was coming into the 13. Ladies and gentlemen, I've done my job, right? All I've had to prove for a whole year was these charts are the truth. If you still don't believe it, you're missing a fucking chromosome and you're making me dumb with you. All right, so let's go ahead. Elliot Grubb says secured 1.5% on the port. Could have been way more, but wasn't risking any more with so many levels in play in the SPY. Elliot, dope. That's what we're looking for. That's what we want to see, right? Compound those gains. Make that money. Tesla. Tesla. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Tesla's going to make somebody rich at the expense of Elon. You have the blue pill here. Tesla's still trending down. I would wait for Tesla to break the 13 and or break the blue pill level here, which is at 110. My, oh my, oh my. Man. Elon, the first man in history to lose $200 billion. Like, it's nothing. 200 billion. Holy shit. All right. Anyways, this is wild. This is wild. So, looks like Tesla is consolidating here with the 13. The 13 at 112. And then the blue pill basically at 110. So it is currently just trending, right? Or moving sideways within this range. It is emotional damage. Let's
emotional damage.
Let's do it. Life wisdom. What's going on? If you guys are in on Tesla, do me a favor, secure the bag. I mean, I'm not trying to be daddy, but it seems like I got to go ahead and be daddy here and just like really walk you through this. Stop being a rich dumb fuck. No, stop being not a rich dumb fuck. You only get to be a rich dumb fuck if you stop being greedy, right? No, I'm a rich dumb fuck because I'm not greedy. I respect my portfolio. I respect my money. I respect my money. I do. All right. Anyways, let's go ahead. Get back to the charts. Legendary says, one of Rita's stopped trading because she made too much money on the day. We programmed it into Rita. Rita's the only woman that listens to me, I swear. Just the only woman that listens to me. We actually programmed Rita to behave herself and stop getting greedy. Rita goes ahead, goes into the stock market, and like a woman, she just starts shopping. And she doesn't stop until the credit card comes back, right? Yeah, like, anyways, let's see. Famous Network just signed up last night. So for now, I'm just learning and adding cash to my TradeView account. But I'm excited to put this strategy to work. Famous Network, you're going to love it. All right, Tesla, just, again, moving sideways here, okay? What are we doing? Ryan, you forgot I was streaming? How dare you? How dare you forget I was streaming? It was Meta, in case you were wondering. I'm sure it was Meta. So Tesla, again, just doing his thing. SPY, and NVAX. Okay, this could be interesting. Now, this put play, you're done. You're done. The play the candles consolidated enough after it broke below the 200 to let you know it's done. I got nothing more to add. As of right now, you have to wait for price action to break above the 200 EMA. Okay. Now, if you want me to go ahead and, confirm your bias as to, oh, it's going to keep going down and I'm going to keep making money, I can't right now, right? I would just go ahead, secure that bag, make the money, right? We'll wait for it to set up, right? It's got to set itself up either for the move to the upside or the downside. Let's see. AMC crossing down. Poor AMC. Now, yeah, you do have the 200 here, which is at 410. Okay. You break the 200 here, you're ideally coming right back down to 401, right? But who puts their money in this? Who puts their money in this? Anyways, good morning, Tuxedo. Thank you so much for yesterday's stream. I was craving a community get-together. Jeff Peterson says was going to play it after it passed to 13. What, NVAX? Spy reversals seem like a trap. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY. I don't want you guys getting caught in a trap here. Now, this isn't a trap. You could see that the SPY and Tesla look and feel somewhat the same. Coming into a level, finding that support, then you got the 13 there, right? Now, if you get a break, and I told you, you get this bounce off the SPY, you get a break over the 13. This is where you're defending profit if you ended up coming in off the bounce, right? You're going to defend profit above the 13. I don't care if that profit is 2, 3, 4%. I really don't care. I don't care about you wanting to make 40 or 50% on a play because that's just not what we do here, right? Let's take a very realistic approach, and it's all about base hits, baby. But if you are up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 10% on the SPY right now, you go ahead, secure that bag, keep it moving. Now, let's see. Arvin says I got scared out of Microsoft early, but I waited. It would have hit my 1.5 risk to reward. Is it better to secure the bag early or wait till you hit your goal? Everyone seems to have a different opinion. Well, it's a matter of your tolerance, man. I can't tell you one way or another. The thing is that everyone seems to have a different opinion. You see what you just said at the end? Arvin, what you need to do is trade for yourself and not trade on the opinions of others, right? They're trading for themselves. They're trading for what works for them. I need you to trade for what works for you. All right. Let's see. Ryan Marshall says, are you talking about a call? Being a call already right now? No, we're not talking about that. We're talking about, with the SPY, we're talking about this bounce. And so now you get this nice big boom boom candle and you're defending the 13. Okay? That's what we're doing here. This is how you make money trading options, ladies and gentlemen. You do not get rich being greedy. You get rich taking these base hits. University YouTube, you disappeared from my thread for a while. No talk about AMC, suppose. Moas, seems corruption killed that. Your thoughts? Average down? Ape? University YouTube. Who cares? Right? You want to make money or you want to sit there and speculate? Right? If you want to sit there and speculate and just talk with your homies about how AMC could go up if Adam Aaron did this, if Kenny Griffin did that, if Gensler does this, if SEC did that, or whatever the case may be, right? You go ahead and you guys have your little, your little talk amongst yourselves. For me, it's not making me money. AMC is not making me money. If AMC is not making any money, then it doesn't make sense, right? It's just like this community. Guys, if you were not making money, would it make sense for you to be part of it? No. So if AMC is not making any money, does it make sense to hold it? No, right? We're talking about allocation of money to make more money, right? And I've always said this, guys, it's not about how much you make, right? I don't care about the community and status university, but I've always told you guys, it's not about how much you make, right? It's not how much you make. It's the velocity of what you make. Velocity will beat, just big lumps and chunks, right? So I would rather go ahead and make 3% super fast than wait for a 40%er. Velocity is what makes you rich, right? It's not the big gainers. It's all about velocity. Okay. Anyways, here we go with the SPY. Again, now you've defended the 13. You're moving your stop up, right? What are your expectations? Well, our side comes up and it breaks the 50 here, right? It confirms the uptrend. We're waiting to see, the MACD converge onto the signal line. All right. That's it. That's it. Consistency and base hits is all about velocity. That's how you get rich. Like a lot of people just, they think like, yeah, okay, look, I'm not going to throw anybody under the bus, right? But I had a friend who was in the car detailing business, and he charged way too much. He was charging $400 for a car detail. And I'm like, bro, you're not going to get the velocity with that. You need to lower your price. You need to $75 for a car detail, right? And then upsell them once you're in the door. He didn't want to listen. Well, his business is no longer. You mean I won't make $1 million by YOLOing my last $100? Not a hedge fund? Nope, you won't. Let's see. What else are we looking at, guys? Let's look at Apple. What's Apple doing? Apple just hanging out here. Okay, consolidating. It's respecting this level at 125.85. We're going to wait for that breakthrough, which I believe it will. So you get a break. You get into the 13. You initially defend profit here at 125.88 when that happens, right? Gabe, look at Dash. Okay, 1 second. So here, Apple is not a actionable play until we start seeing it break levels to the upside. All right, guys. Right now, it's just consolidating. Let's look at community fave.
Nvidia.
And Nvidia. Ooh, that put. Woo! Look at this, Nvidia. Nvidia said Happy New Year. There was money being made with Nvidia. You get the put signal here, guys. We give you the signals. We give you the levels. We give you the live streams. Trade1348.com. Stop fucking around and stop using me for free. Stop using me for free. And if you're wondering who said that, like a lot of people just got turned on, right?
Nvidia.
That's Diana. If you want to hear this more often, sign up, trade1348.com. Now, let's go ahead and go back to the charts. Let's see. How old am I? I'm 41. Yes. Okay. So here we go. We got the 13 here with Nvidia. Like it's, I want to say like the 13 is probably going to act like a resistance for the time being up until we see our side break above 50. All right. So Nvidia is literally in this channel here, right? 144.69 and 139.71. If we get a rejection and our side pivots down, oh, this could be filthy. This could actually be a rejection off the 13. Let's wait for this to play out. A youthful 41. I try. Right? Can't wait to get my first order of hymns. Anyways. All right. Diana is an amazing asset to the community. Yeah, I'm a baby. Yeah, not a hedge fund. Yeah, it's really her. Ryan. If you have to ask someone to explain it to you, let's look at AMD. AMD. Ooh, AMD. Now let's clear the chart. I want to remove these drawings because it's a whole new year, a whole new season. Let's see what's happening here. So we have basically an EMA sandwich, right? You're getting that rejection off the 200. This could, okay, let's see. What do we have? We do have that level here that was from yesterday. So we're going to go draw that. Well, Friday. That was the last time the market was open. So that is your level. This is interesting, guys. I mean, just blue pills. They're the truth, right? We'll lay them out for you to help you make money. Yeah, I think we can come right back. 64.79 is currently the trading price. 64.21 is your level. Tesla broke 110. Ooh. Oh. This isn't going well. And Tesla's like, Neo, wait for me. Jesus. Wow, Tesla just breaking this level. I'm not going to chase it down only because the indicators are telling me like it's not to chase down. You don't want to do that. You fuck around with Tesla, it's going to hurt you really, really bad, right? So don't chase it down. Wait for the indicators again to just really be in your favor. I feel like, yeah, entering Tesla now would be chasing. So if you're currently in profit, go ahead and secure the bag and don't chase into it. And don't anticipate a reversal until the indicators are telling you reversal. How much longer do you think the bear market will last? Dion Miller, who cares? We're making money up or down. I mean, the bear market could last 3, 4, 5, 10 years. I don't care. Right? I want to see the world burn. You know why? Because that's when you get rich. You go ahead, you make your money trading these options, trading with momentum, trading with trade1348.com. You stack that money when the market just dies. Now you got a stack of money, just throw right back into the market, and you get to set it and forget it. 10 years from now, you'd have so much cash, you would just call you a castronaut, right? Honestly, love making money down rather than up, but with 1348, can now make it either way. Absolutely. That's what we're here for. So just play the market, man. Nobody's expecting much of anything. All I expect is that I'm compounding my P&L by 1% each and every day. All right. Trade1348.com. Link in the description, also pinned to the top of the comments. Let's go ahead and make this money. Dash might cross up. Let's take a look at Dash. What we doing here? Okay. So Dash on a 5-minute. Damn. Well, first off, I don't like that fall to death, but you got the 200 EMA, which I respected, and it bounced off. Now, as long as RSI is still a little bit too close to 50 for my own, like for my taste here, right? I would definitely wait to see convergence on the MACD and RSI pivot up, because this could literally just be a fake out and bring you down to the 200, and it could hurt a lot. Okay, so guys, look at the market's already made its move. It's made its move, right? Let's not chase into it. All right, roll call. Who's made 1% or more today? Can we get a thumbs up? I want thumbs up. Who's made 1% or more today? I've been memed. Oh, great. I'm always memed. Let's see. Daily Taylor, just throwing it out there. But is knowing the average time between crosses on a security a valuable metric? It doesn't matter. Oh, look at these thumbs. Wayne, you're always thumbs down, man. Look at these thumbs. Oh, look at this. Wayne, you keep thumb downs. If you keep the thumbs down, Wayne, I'm going to put you on timeout, right? You do it all the time, man. Like, you do it all the time, bro. Everybody's killing it. Wayne, something's got to give here, okay? Look at the chat. Everyone, Jody's killing it. Lewis made his 1%. Jeff made his 1%. Everybody's making their 1%. Brandon, 1%. Gio, not yet. Navin, up. Edmund, up. Jerry Hernandez, not yet. Let's see. Mark Davis, up. Butters, not yet. All right. Zoo, yes. Gilbert, down. 2.3% up. 13% up. Larry, up. J-Time, up. Pepe, up. Nanya's waiting. Paul's up. 0.5%. Hey, it's still a green day, right? Up, up, up. Everybody's up. Look at this. This is great, right? The majority of you are up. Follow the system, right? For those who might watch the stream after the fact, make sure you go ahead and just watch the live chat along with it. You'll see how many people are actually killing it right now. Just dropped my wife off at the airport, so no trades today. Uh-oh. Calls on Pornhub. Anyways, going back to the chart here. DoorDash doing exactly as I broke down. There you go. There you go. Jeez. All right, let's go ahead and look at the SPY. See what the SPY is doing. SPY, literally here, just hanging out. Support and resistance levels. Oh my God. Yeah, they are the truth. I there's people who are just looking at this like, what the fuck? Yes, Morrow, best win ever. I'm loving it. I'm loving it for you guys. Meta. Let's take a look at Meta. Meta is literally rimming the 5. I don't really care for Meta at this point, right? I don't care for it at this point. Let's go ahead and find other trades that have higher probability. At this point, Meta is just moving sideways for me. So let's look at Visa. Visa coming down to the 200. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Visa. Everywhere you want to be. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, so fun story, right? So my brother, right? He closed on his house or whatever, and he went to Costco to get supplies. And Costco, I don't know. I don't shop at Costco, but is it true that Costco does not accept MasterCard? For the members there, out there, possibly. Is Costco like Visa only? That's literally what they told him. All right, Walmart, let's look at WMT. Ain't that some bullshit? Wow. 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 Those racist bastards. Okay, anyways, we got Walmart here. What you mean my MasterCard ain't good in these parts? You know what I'm going to do? Thank you guys for telling me that. I'm going to go to Costco, right? And get a whole bunch of shit, like 6 or 7 carts. I'm going to have hired help. And I'm going to have them take it with me to the front. And they're going to be like, sir, we only accept Visa. I'm going to be like, all right, so I'm leaving this shit right here. Bye. Okay, so let's look at Walmart. Walmart looks to be dying, and it's coming right down to the 48. Be careful, possible bounce with Walmart here. Daily Taylor's like, film it. Oh man, it would just be so savage. Oh man. Yeah. That SPY would have printed. Okay. It would have. All right. So Walmart is finding itself here at the 48. Walmart on the daily. Walmart on the daily, you're in a put trend, but the indicators are telling you otherwise. So I would wait for a rejection from the 13 or 48 simply because it's way too close, and then play it back to the downside if the indicators are supporting that, right? Let's go and catch up here. Netflix. People are begging for Netflix. And there we go. We got Netflix. Netflix is, that put play is pretty much done, right? So if you played this put and you made coin, and you're asking about Netflix because you thought it was going to continue going down, well, I got news for you. RSI broke its moving average, and it's attempting to come right back up to the 200 EMA, which happens to be this blue pill level here at 292.10, right? So go ahead, secure the bag, and don't leave it to chance, okay? The truth says he is up 4.37% on the day. Damn. Okay, that's good stuff. GTK just got a gift, cost membership from my boss. Oh. All right. Hey, so you got a gift card from Costco for a membership. Yeah, if you don't got Visa, just don't even bother. Got my 2% done for the day. Thanks, team. Pepe. Dope. Elliot Grubb, ADSK. All right, let's take a look. ADSK, Autodesk. And we got a put on the 5-minute. What are the spreads on this? The spreads got to be shitty. But if you're going to play with shares here, go ahead and go and short it. I mean, just short it. But Autodesk is, I can't say it's moving much. Or moving enough for me to consider it a play. You do have a level here just above the 200. Broke that. It broke below the 200 EMA. Now you got a level at 184. What are the spreads? Yeah, the spreads are awful. I wouldn't even bother. Elliot. I use a MasterCard debit card at Costco. You can do that? You could do that. Ryan, you say maybe SPY reverse? Okay. All right, Ryan, let me help you out here. You're just seeking attention. The SPY literally just rejected off the 13. It rejected off the 13. So, oh man, SPY. It's a sucky day to be a bull today. But who cares, right? You guys are just a bunch of Xerox printers. That's it. Let's see. RSI breaking above its moving average here, so it's gonna try to catch itself one more time. I think even the SPY surprised itself. No, we don't die that much. Come back up. J&J, Johnson & Johnson. What are we looking at here? Johnson & Johnson, possible cross on a 5-minute. It already crossed on a 3. It's looking for that 200 EMA here. RSI is pivoting up here on the 3. It's also pivoting up here on the 5. I would wait for a retest of the 48 and the 200 and then see what RSI does from there. Right now, I'm not going to play into J&J. Let's see. Danny the Piercer. Account up 18% courtesy of Apple. Puts and 1348. Showing me the way. I love it. Danny, I love that for you, man. I love that for you. JSPR, let's go ahead and look at that. JSPR, Jasper Therapeutics. All right, now, Oscar, you must be new. Moving along. We don't fuck with bio or shit stock. Sorry, bro. Moving along. Let's see. Wreck-It Ralph. Oh, a Minnesota trader? Okay, Wreck-It Ralph, you're from Minnesota? I can't wait. I really hope the Giants play the Vikings in the playoffs. I really want to see that. All right, Target. let's see what she's doing here. It looks like, let's get this. All right, target came up. Oh my God, these levels. Yeah, but J&J is not a shit stock. J&J, Johnson & Johnson, I mean, yeah, they're bio, but they're also baby oil. Man, I love that on me. Well, I mean, there's many uses for that baby oil. All right, so Target ran up, hit a level at 152.49, came right back down, came right back up, right? And yeah, many uses. But anyways, look at Target. You're rejecting off this level here. That's all Target did, right? So if you got greedy once and then you felt that pain and you got greedy twice, please don't allow yourself to feel that pain. Jesus, these levels are absolutely killing it today. Speaking of baby oil, okay, yeah, there you
Nvidia.
go.
Nvidia.
Right? The more I press Nvidia on this soundboard, yeah, we should start seeing Johnson & Johnson just go to the fucking moon. I know you guys got plans with that baby oil. Oh, Jesus Christ, you guys. Okay. Getting right back to it. Let's see what the spy is doing. And the spy is just dead. Gabe pimping out the lady boss voice. That's right. UVXY. Let's go ahead and check out UVXY. UVXY literally gave you more than you deserve. You're currently at a level. You broke a level. Oh, damn. All right. Get out. Get out now. If you took this call, you came right up here. Come on, man. You can't be that. Okay, I'm just. Secure the bag, man. That's all I could say. Where did our old Gabe go? That would have been an open door to. Come on, man. New year, new me. Phoenix. Oh man. Giants gonna rest their starters against the Eagles. That's cool. You know, I want Saquon healthy. I want Danny Dimes healthy. You know, I want that team like just pumped and ready for the playoffs. But going back to UVXY, you came up to a level. I should not have to coach you through this. You should be able to see these levels on the chart. Guys, these levels are epic. They are epic. You got the call, you came right up to a level, and boom, rejected. Now, what is it doing? It's bouncing off to 13. But I tell you what, you go ahead, secure that bag, and then reestablish a position. That's all you need to do. So, Wix on an alert for 3-minute put. Leave it alone. Let's go ahead and look at Wix. What are we doing here? Wix on the 3-minute. It crossed. You have the 200 right there. So your expectation is that it hits the 200 and just literally bounces, right? So on the 5-minute, you're waiting for that cross. I'm not really sold on Wix right now. Not really sold on it. Wait for the cross down on the 5-minute. You see this level here. You see where that wick, the wick came right down to this level. So what you're waiting for is price action to continue down, break below this level, right? And then you probably are going to get the put signal at around $75, $76. So $76 is where you're probably going to get that put signal, which puts you in this range, which means your range is probably going to be between $75.99 or $76 down to the 200. I don't see Wix really paying out much. Dude, gives out cheat codes. I'm trying. Check out Citigroup. Citi. Ooh, Citi. Okay. Done. Citi's done, right? I mean, you want to fuck around and find out? Citi gave you the call. The play's over. Play is done. You should have... Okay, let's zoom out. I'll show you. Where did Citi reject from? Oh, right here. Hello, level. And that level was back here on December 14th. Look at that. Gotta love it. Levels turn me on. Actually, winning turns me on. Actually, you know what really turns me on? Is when I follow the system. And like, you know, like winning turns me on. Doesn't it turn you on, guys? Right? It should turn you on. Trade 1348. Get turned on, man. Get turned on. Trade1348.com. We'll turn you on. We'll help you make some money so you can play with some baby oil. All right? Wait, do I got to press it again just to get you guys to sign up? Fuck it.
Nvidia.
There you go. Nvidia Corporation. Oh, boy. Here we go with the chart. Nvidia is just doing a whole lot of nothing, right? Yeah, I only look back 7 days. You're absolutely right. But I had to put it there. You would have found it on a 4 hour as well, right? Does 1348 have an HR department? No. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Again, I'll sign up twice. Hey. Well, Captain is HR, but it's Captain's HR. I mean, but okay. So if Captain's HR, then what happens in the HR office and how we talk in the HR office is hella worse than how I talk to you guys in the live stream. Yes. Anyways, guys, it's 11:28. We've been on for an hour. Go ahead, secure the bag, let the market settle, and then just wait for high probability plays, right? That's right, Andy. Co-sign that. The way we talk to each other is just a bunch of men just like ready to kill each other. But it's camaraderie, right? It's love. We have high expectations of each other and we lean on one another, but we're like brothers in there, right? So, but the shit we say is worse. It's way worse. Anyways, trade1348.com. Link down in the description. Pin to the top of the comments. It's 14 days free. Take a chance on yourself. And you know what? I'll damn near say take a chance on me. I can navigate you to success. I absolutely can. So could STB. We can navigate you to success. Okay? And then you learn a skill that you could teach your family. That's it. Rachel, glad to have you here. Right? Glad to have you here. Peace out. We're done. I gotta go get some baby oil.